pollution. Now, the decision support system of the government, which is being run by scientists from the Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology, have claimed that the share of stubble burning in Delhi's air pollution problems is reduced, and other factors such as vehicles and construction sites are contributing in larger shares for polluting the national capital. Our team visited the IIMT office and we spoke to the scientists to understand the methodology, because over 3,000 fires, viewers, have been reported from Punjab and Haryana this year already. Let's first look at the data as far as stubble burning is concerned, because even the map released by IIMT shows the fires. There you have it. I'm just going to put out this map on our screens if we can. Yes, there you have it. That's the map that has been released by IIMT, which shows some of the fires. And of course, as you can see, viewers, right here, most of the fires attributed to Haryana, Punjab, and of course, several in Pakistan as well. But as far as air is concerned, it does not really see borders. So all of that also comes into North India. These smoke statistics are also being released at a time when the Supreme Court is putting our government under pressure for inaction against stubble burning. So how do we really trust the statistics? I'm going to once again put out another map on your screens, viewers, that has been released by IIMT. The first image that I showed you was some of the live fires that have been caught on the map. However, this, viewers, is the daily mean contribution from stubble burning to the PM 2.5 mass concentration in Delhi. PM 2.5, of course, being the particle which is most harmful to human beings and others who breathe it. So we are looking at a period between the 8th of October till roughly about, say, this week. We can say about till the 27th, 28th of October. This is the graph that has been released. What you see at the bottom is, of course, the date as well as the daily fire count. And what you see here is the percentage contribution towards PM 2.5, which is the measure of pollution in the air. What is the percentage contribution? So as far as the early days of October are concerned, viewers, which you can see here, the contribution of stubble burning to pollution in New Delhi was less than 2%. And then somewhere around the 20th of October, we see a sudden spike and we see an increase that you can note right here. It went from 4% to 8%. Then it went completely doubled to 16%, again around 14% on these days. And now we can see that as far as the past week is concerned, as per the IIMT statistics, it is continuously falling. So they've noted a spike of about 3 to 4 days. Even in that, IIMT claims that the contribution of stubble burning specifically towards increase in pollution in Delhi, the maximum of it was 16%. So that really begs us to ask the question, where is the rest of the 84% pollution then coming in from? Because most of the people who are living in New Delhi and other parts of North India would have possibly experienced that in the past week or 10 days, we can now once again see problems such as a cough and a cold coming back, people feeling an irritation in their eyes, an inability of children, of the elderly to breathe properly, and you can just feel the pollution in the air as you move around in New Delhi. So many years back it was said that it's the firecrackers. Well, the firecrackers have not really happened right now. That's to come in the next few days. Then we were told, of course, that stubble burning in Punjab and Haryana, Uttar Pradesh as well, is the major contributor to pollution in New Delhi, in North India. But as far as this IIMT study is concerned, stubble burning is not the big contributor. So that really begs us today to ask the question, what then is? Right here on your screens, viewers, once again I've opened up a website which NewsX has been tracking for the past 7 years called NASA Worldview, wherein we've opened up the fire and thermal anomalies on the map. And right here, as you can see, these are from today itself the live fires which are being tracked on NASA Worldview, and you can see that several fires continue to be burning in Punjab. You can also see from yesterday, however, you see that there's a thick smog there over Punjab which continues into the rest of North India, but not too many fires, live fires noted yesterday. When we go back to the 27th of October, once again we see several fires, but if I were to do a comparison of what we're looking at right now versus the same period last year, these are of course relatively much lesser. That also, of course, we have to keep in mind that the Parali burning season is not yet over. In fact, it is expected to increase in the coming weeks itself. But really, it does beg us to ask the question, what statistics are we then supposed to trust, and what really are the governments doing? Let's now quickly listen in to what a senior scientist from IIMT, Sachin Gure, explained to us how the DSS model really works, how are they calculating the smog and the percentages that they're attributing to its causes. Listen in, then I bring in our guests.
We have developed indigenous air quality early warning and decision support system. So DSS is basically a part of air quality forecasting system called decision support system. So what do you mean by decision support system? So it basically gives you the information about what are the sources and how much they are contributing to the air quality in Delhi. So you get the percentage of different sources to the contribution of AQI in Delhi for today and for next 5 days. We take all the sources through emission inventory. We know where are the industries, where are the transportation hotspots, where are the farm fires occurring, where are the big cleans, and we tag those emission sources using a mathematical technique called tracers. And those tracers go into the model, and then we run the model for next 5 days using the meteorology provided by India Meteorological Department. So these tracers are then circulated into the model as per the wind direction, as per the local meteorological condition, and then we can track each and every particle coming from each.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.